Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about Wunder2 products, and thank you Wunder2 for sending me all these beautiful products. And unfortunately my video intro is lost. It's gone. I cannot find it anywhere. I don't know what happened, but unfortunately I'm starting with obviously with the eyebrow. So that's why I'm recording this voiceover, and I'm so sorry, but I hope you will be enjoying the rest of this video, and I will give my final thoughts in the end. So the next product is Wunder2 Highlight and Define. And basically this side right here, don't be confused because it is so pink. It looks like this and it's super creamy. The other part is much more cooler tone. So once you mix this two, it looks great. I already tried it and I'm impressed how good it is. Like, it works better without concealer because I tried one side with a concealer and this one I went directly in on my skin, and now just look at this. Look at the pigment. Like, it's so pigmented, and it grabs your eyeshadow so much, so I guess it would be okay even as eyeshadow base. And now I'm basically just going to blend it with a blending brush. Now this part right here, this is more of a cool tone shimmer side. I know, like, first time I applied this part right here, I was like, oh my god, this is too pink. It's not good, but it worked really well. And again, if you want to go on top of this with your eyeshadow, you're going to have like bling highlight. So now look at the difference. Like, this is so highlighted. And obviously it is looking too light right now, but once you apply your whole makeup, it will blend so well. So we'll see it in the end. So the next product is their Last and Foundation Concealer. They already have their Last and Foundation foundations, and I did a review on them. So if you wanna see that video, I will link it down below. And mine is in the shade 20 medium, and it has applicator like this. I do love this kind of applicator. It looks like this. And this is supposed to be high coverage and transfer resistant concealer. Okay, let me apply it on all areas that I wanna highlight my face. Well, I guess if this is as their foundation, then you will have to work kind of quickly with this product. I look cool. Oh yeah. That's it for today. I'm going out like this. Nah. So I really like the way it highlighted my face, and you really have to work really quick with it because it will set quick. So once it's set, it's hard to blend it. And for my skin type, I think this will work way better on a summertime when, you know, it's so hot and you really wanna your makeup to stay on your face. Like, it's not that it's too heavy, but it is more on a dry side. With most of long-lasting products, they do tend to be really dry, so that's the only downside of those products. So let me put on foundation and then we'll move to our next product. Okay, so my foundation and my contour is here, and since this concealer is breaking out a little bit, so I'm going in with primer just to blend it a little bit. Okay, now for the highlight also I'm going in with this pencil with this shimmer side, and I'm using this also as a highlight. And now for my skin highlighter, I'm going in with the Coral Shimmer Caviar Illuminator from Wunder2. And now I'm so excited to try this Perfect Selfie HD Photo Finishing Powder. Usually I use translucent powder that is not pressed. It says, snap as your perfect selfie. Perfect look in under 2 minutes. I'll just let it set for a while, for a few minutes. It's so weird, I usually take my translucent powder and just go like there's powder everywhere. So let's see what's going on. I left it like for 3 minutes or so on my face, so let's just wipe it off to see what do we got. Oh, it did brighten up my skin a little bit. The places where there's just foundation, and I went with Dior's Face and Body Foundation. The powder reacted really well, but these places where I put my concealer, it's not good. Like, I think it's the concealer, because right here I love it so much. It's so fine, it is so good everywhere where my contour is, where my foundation is, but maybe again it's because I left the concealer too much on my face and it gets dried, and now the result, it's not that good. So, but I definitely like these parts where I went with my foundation on. Now let me go in just with some mineral powder. So the next product that I've got is their lip plumping gloss, and this one is clear. I do have the other shades. It says, your must-have accessory for perfectly plumped lips. Let's just wait for 2 minutes and see what happens. Did anything happen to my lips? Well, I don't think so. Maybe a little bit, nothing drastic. Anyways, let me just finish my eyes and I will be back. So this is the final look for today, and what do I think? The only thing that didn't quite work on for me was this concealer. I'll have to test it out to see what happens when I immediately set it. Today I didn't have a chance actually to do that because the way I applied my makeup was different, but anyways, usually I do my eyes before my foundation. So what I do know is that I definitely will continue to using this product right here. Also the satin lip oil on a daily basis, just because it helps to hydrate your lips. And what else? Oh, this product also, I'll put it to the test again and again, and like I said, I really do like the way it turned out. And if you're looking for a translucent powder that really not only sets your makeup but also highlights it, you should go for this one, because it will also really brighten up the area where you place it. If you want to brighten up your under eye area, it's going to do a job. What else? I think that's it for today. Wow, today I'm really quickly. So weird. Usually it takes me 5 to 7 hours to film anything. So okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions regarding these products, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I will get back to you. And that's it. I wish you have a great day, and thank you for being here. And if you like this video content that I'm creating, then be considered to subscribe to this channel. I wish you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.